Mount Macedon, Victoria. Concrete leak repair, tank repair. As you can see, there's a fair amount of water running off this one. It's got a few good leaks in it, horizontal crack as well. This one here is leaking quite badly. So we will repair, without emptying the tank, polyurethane crack injection. Phone 0427 427 183. Mount Macedon, all repaired, all dried up. That high flowing leak all there, which is no water at all. No problem, Mount Macedon. Concrete crack injection technology. No need to empty the water out of your tank, no wastage. Phone 0427 427 183.